Matius 1, Matthew 1. Inilah silsilah Yesus Kristus, anak Daud, anak Abraham. The book of the generation of the Jesus Christ, the son of Abraham. Abraham memperanakan Ishak, Ishak memperanakan Yakub, Yakub memperanakan Yehuda dan saudara-saudaranya. Abraham begat Ishak, and Ishak begat Yakub begat Judas and his brethren. Yehuda memperanakan Peres dan Serah dari Tamar. Peres memperanakan Hesron, Hesron memperanakan Ram, and Judas begat Pares and Sarah of Tamar, and Peres begat Esrom, and Esrom begat Aram. Ram memperanakan Aminadab, Aminadab memperanakan Nahason, Nahason memperanakan Salmon, and Aram begat Aminadab, and Aminadab begat Naason, and Naason begat Salmon. Salmon memperanakan Boas dari Rahab, Boas memperanakan Obed dari Rut, Obed memperanakan Isai, and Salmon begat Boaz of Rahab, and Boaz begat Obed of Rut, and Obed begat Jesse. Isai memperanakan Raja Daud, Daud memperanakan Salomo dari istri Uria, and Jesse begat David the king, and David the king begat Solomon of her that had been the wife of Urias. Salomo memperanakan Rehabiam, Rehabiam memperanakan Abia, Abia memperanakan Asa, and Solomon begat Roboam, and Roboam begat Abia, and Abia begat Asa. Asa Yoram, Yoram memperanakan Usia, and Asa begat Yosafat, and Yosafat begat Joram, and Joram begat Osia. Usia memperanakan Yotam, memperanakan Ahaz, Ahaz memperanakan Hizkia, and Osias begat Joatam, and Joatam begat Asas, and Asas begat Ezekias. Hizkia memperanakan Manasye, Manasye memperanakan Amon, Amon memperanakan Yosia, and Ezekias begat Manases, and Manases begat Amon, and Amon begat Josias. Josia memperanakan Yekonya dan saudara-saudaranya pada waktu pembuangan ke Babel, and Josias begat Jechonias and his brethren about the time they were carried away to Babylon. Sesumbuangan ke Babel, Yekonya memperanakan Shealtiel, Shealtiel memperanakan Zerubabel, and after they were brought to Babylon, Jechonias begat Shealtiel, and Shealtiel begat Zorobabel. Zerubbabel memperanakan Abihud, Abihud memperanakan Eliakim, Eliakim memperanakan Ashur, and Zerubbabel begat Abiud, and Abiud begat Eliakim, and Eliakim begat Ashur. Ashur memperanakan Sadok, Sadok memperanakan Akim, Akim memperanakan Aliud, and Ashur begat Shadok, and Shadok begat Akim, and Akim begat Alium. Aliud memperanakan Eleazar, Eleazar memperanakan Matan, Matan memperanakan Yakub, and Alium begat and Eleazar begat Matan, and Matan begat Yakob. Yakob memperanakan Yusuf Maria yang melahirkan Yesus yang disebut Kristus, and Yakob begat Joseph the husband of Mary, of whom was born Jesus, who is called. Jadi seluruhnya ada 14 keturunan dari Abraham sampai Daud, 14 keturunan dari Daud sampai ke pembuangan ke Babel, dan 14 keturunan dari pembuangan ke Babel sampai Kristus. So all the generation from Abraham to David are 14 generation, and from David until the crying away into Babylon are 14 generations, and from the carrying away into Babylon unto Christ are 14 generation. Kelahiran Yesus Kristus adalah seperti berikut. Pada waktu Maria ibunya bertunangan dengan Yusuf, ternyata ia mengandung dari Roh sebelum mereka hidup sebagai suami istri. Now the of Jesus Christ was on this wise when as his mother Mary as espoused to Joseph before they come together, she was found with child of the Holy Ghost. Karena Yusuf suaminya seorang yang tulus hati dan tidak mau mencemarkan nama istrinya di muka umum, ia bermaksud menceraikannya dengan diam-diam. Dan Joseph, her husband, being a just man and not willing to make her of public example, was minded to put her away privately. Tetapi ketika ia mempertimbangkan maksud itu, malaikat Tuhan nampak kepadanya dalam mimpi dan berkata, Yusuf anak Daud, janganlah engkau takut mengambil Maria sebagai istrimu, sebab anak yang dalam kandungannya adalah kudus. But while he talked on these things, behold, the angel of the Lord appeared unto him in a saying, Joseph, thou son of David, fear not to take unto thee Mary, thy wife, for that which is conceived in her is of the Holy Ghost. Ia akan melahirkan anak laki-laki dan engkau akan menamakan dia Yesus, karena dialah yang akan menyelamatkan umatnya dari dosa mereka. And she shall bring forth a son, and thou shalt call his name Jesus, for he will save his people from their sins. Hal itu supaya genaplah yang difirmankan Tuhan oleh Nabi. Now all this was done, that it might be fulfilled which was spoke of the Lord by the prophet, saying, Sesungguhnya anak darah itu akan mengandung dan melahirkan seorang anak laki-laki, dan mereka akan menamakan dia Immanuel, yang berarti Yesus menyertai kita. Be virgin shall be with child, and shall bring forth a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel, which being interpreted is God with us. Sesudah bangun dari tidurnya, Yusuf berbuat seperti yang diperintahkan malaikat Tuhan itu kepadanya. Ia mengambil Maria sebagai istrinya, dan Joseph being raised from sleep did as the angel of the Lord had bidden him, and took unto him his wife, tapi tidak bersetubuh dengan dia sampai ia melahirkan anaknya laki-laki, dan Yusuf menamakan dia Yesus, and knew her not till she had brought forth his firstborn son, and he called his name Jesus.